Do you think the only way to learn Excel is by watching hours and hours of YouTube videos? Think again. Welcome to Excel in 5. The Excel in 5 Building the Foundations course is designed to teach you Excel just 5 minutes at a time. That's right, every lesson is 5 minutes or shorter. Morning coffee time? Meet Excel. Use equals, saying knock knock, Excel, pay attention, I want something from you. Do any of these sound like you? Maybe you haven't wandered too far from the home ribbon, or you just want to learn more about the foundational features and skills in Excel. This is the course for you. Beginners and intermediates, welcome. We'll make sure that everybody is up to speed on the basics and then take a deep dive into the foundations of Excel. Everything from data analysis, advanced conditional formatting, functions, visualizations, keyboard shortcuts, we'll even record some macros. And of course you can follow along throughout all the lessons with the downloadable Excel workbooks. We can't forget about the challenges like this one where you can test your new skills with real-world data. Whew, lots of pivot table practice there, right? Okay, let's work through this together. You'll have lifetime access to the course. Return to the clearly marked videos anytime for a quick 5-minute refresher. Maybe you forgot how to do XLOOKUP? No problem. Search for it, press play, and review. With all of those index and match perks all wrapped into one function, we have the XLOOKUP function. Questions during or after the course, join us in the exclusive Excel in 5 Hub Facebook group where you'll have access to me and other Excel passionate course mates. Ask questions, answer questions, this is our space to excel together. 5 minutes at a time, let's learn Excel.